In today's video, I am going to teach you how to stop Notion from opening on startup in Windows 11. If Notion keeps popping up every time you sign in, it can slow down your startup and add distractions when you just want to get to work. The good news is, Windows 11 makes it simple to control which apps launch automatically, and you can change it in just a few clicks. First, open Settings by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. This shortcut takes you straight to the Settings app so you don't have to hunt for it. Give it a second to open and you'll see a sidebar on the left with different categories. Next, click on Apps in that left-hand menu. The Apps section is where Windows groups controls for installed programs and features, including how they behave when your computer starts. Once you are in Apps, you'll see several options in the main window now. Select Startup. This page lists all the apps that can run automatically when you sign in to Windows. Each app here has a simple on or off switch next to it, and you might also see a note about its startup impact. That impact label is just an estimate of how much an app could affect your boot time. Even if Notion says low impact, turning it off can still make your sign in feel cleaner and faster. Look through the list and locate Notion. The apps are usually listed alphabetically, so scan down to the NS. Take your time to make sure you are selecting the correct app. When you find Notion, flip its switch to off. The toggle should change right away, and Windows will remember your choice automatically. Here is no save button needed. That's it. From now on, Notion won't open by itself the next time you sign in. You don't have to restart your PC for this to take effect. The change applies at your next login. If you ever want Notion to start automatically again, just come back to the same startup page and turn the switch back to on. While you are here, this is also a great place to tidy up other apps you don't need at startup. Fewer items launching in the background can help your system feel faster and give you a cleaner desktop as soon as you sign in. And that's how to stop Notion from opening on startup in Windows 11 using the built-in settings. Quick, clear, and fully reversible if you change your mind later. Thanks for watching.